A human cyborg, also known as a cyborg or cybernetic organism, refers to an individual who has integrated technology into their body to enhance their capabilities or replace or augment certain biological functions. The concept of human cyborgs has been explored in science fiction for many years, but recent advancements in technology have made some aspects of this idea a reality. In the real world, we have seen various examples of technological enhancements integrated into the human body. These enhancements can range from prosthetic limbs that restore mobility to individuals with amputations, to neural implants that help people with certain neurological conditions regain functionality. For instance, cochlear implants are used to restore hearing to individuals with hearing loss. In the realm of research and development, there are ongoing efforts to create more advanced cyborg technologies. Some examples include brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, which establish a direct connection between the brain and external devices, enabling individuals to control computers or robotic limbs using their thoughts. BCIs have the potential to assist people with paralysis or neurological disorders. Additionally, there are experiments being conducted with sensory augmentation, where devices are used to enhance human senses or provide new ones. For example, some researchers are exploring the development of devices that could allow humans to sense infrared or ultraviolet light. It is important to note that the integration of technology into the human body raises ethical, social, and philosophical questions. Discussions around privacy, consent, equity, and potential long-term effects are crucial in shaping the development and implementation of these technologies. While the concept of human cyborgs is becoming increasingly tangible, the extent to which individuals can be transformed into cybernetic organisms is still limited. The integration of technology into the human body remains a complex and evolving field, and its progression will depend on factors such as technological advancements, societal acceptance, and ethical considerations. A human cyborg is a fusion of human biology and advanced technology, embodying the convergence of the organic and the artificial. It refers to a being that has integrated cybernetic enhancements into their body, augmenting their natural abilities and extending their capabilities beyond biological limitations. These enhancements can include robotic limbs, neural implants, sensory amplification, and data interfaces. Human cyborgs bridge the gap between humanity and machines, blending the strength and resilience of technology with the creativity and adaptability of the human mind. They strive to achieve a symbiotic relationship between man and machine, unlocking new frontiers of potential and ushering in an era of enhanced human existence. Thanks for listening this video. Subscribe the Knowledge Evolution channel more than next evolution.